Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Air, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, however, I always recommend to stick to the Wi-Fi. So after the internet connection, let's open the settings. Here we have to scroll all the way down to find the system, so let's tap on it. And here we've got the option backup, so let's tap. Now we have to tap on turn on, and we will be immediately transferred to this Google account section, so just tap on next. If you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be able to simply choose it from the list. If not, you have to simply tap on add account and go through the whole process. So let me show it how it works. So here in this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, and tap on next. Okay, as you can see, we have to be patient. And here in this step, we have to enter our password. So let me do this out of the screen. All right, we've got the password, so let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. And here we can finally decide what kind of data we would like to back up. So as you can see, photos and videos or other device data or both. It's up to you. You can mark both. I'll pick only this one and tap on confirm. And now we've got this backup section. We've got everything actually marked with green, which means that we just successfully added our Google account to this device and confirmed the backup. Here we've got backup details, so you can tap on the specific section and check, for example, how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it, we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, and advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some charges. So to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, and now your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.